The famous theory of evolution refers to the theory of evolution by natural selection, which was proposed by Charles Darwin in the mid-19th century. The theory of evolution is one of the foundational principles of modern biology and provides an explanation for the diversity of life on Earth. The central idea of Darwin's theory is that all species of organisms have descended from common ancestors through a process of gradual changes over long periods of time. The driving force behind these changes is natural selection, which is the process by which certain traits become more or less common in a population over successive generations based on their impact on an organism's ability to survive and reproduce. According to Darwin, variations exist within populations, and individuals with traits that are better suited to their environment are more likely to survive and pass on their traits to the next generation. Over time, this leads to the accumulation of favorable traits in a population and can result in the formation of new species. Darwin's theory of evolution has been supported by extensive evidence from various scientific disciplines, including paleontology, genetics, comparative anatomy, and biogeography. It has provided a framework for understanding the interconnectedness of all living organisms and has revolutionized our understanding of the natural world.